Welcome to this tutorial on creating a photo grid in PowerPoint. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to arrange multiple images into a neat grid layout using PowerPoint's built-in features. We will start by launching PowerPoint on your computer and then move on to selecting your presentation file before working with the images. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is running, locate and open the presentation that you would like to work on. This could be an existing presentation where you want to showcase a collection of photos, or a new one that you have prepared in anticipation of assembling the grid. Ensuring that your presentation is open allows you to have the right workspace in view for the next actions. After your presentation is ready, the next task is to select the images you want to include in your grid. To do this, first navigate to the slide where your images are placed. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each image that you wish to include. This method allows you to select multiple images simultaneously rather than clicking each one individually, ensuring that your selection is both efficient and accurate. With your images selected, move your focus to the top section of PowerPoint's interface, where you will find a series of tabs. Click on the tab labeled Picture Format. This tab is crucial as it houses various tools and options specifically designed for editing and arranging images within your slide, and it is your gateway to further customizing your photos. After clicking on Picture Format, you will notice several sections within this tab. The section for Picture Styles is where you will find the Picture Layout option. By locating and clicking on Picture Layout, you gain access to a range of layout options that automatically arrange your selected images in a variety of grid formations. This feature simplifies the process of organizing your photos without needing to adjust each image manually. Upon clicking Picture Layout, take the time to browse through the available grid layouts that appear. Choose the grid that best suits the number of images you have and the visual style you wish to achieve. Each layout option is designed to provide a clean and balanced visual structure, ensuring that your presentation remains professional and easy on the eyes. Selecting the appropriate grid layout will automatically format the images, placing them into an evenly spaced pattern that enhances the overall design of your slide. Following these actions, you will have successfully created a photo grid within your PowerPoint presentation. The process is straightforward and leverages PowerPoint's built-in features to save time while still providing a polished look for your images. By following these instructions, you can easily integrate images into a structured grid that highlights each photo effectively. This method not only adds visual appeal to your presentation, but also ensures consistency and clarity, allowing your audience to focus on the content without distraction. This concludes our detailed walkthrough on making a photo grid in PowerPoint. Enjoy the process of designing creative and engaging presentations with this simple yet effective technique.